この動画では量子場計測システム国際拠点 QUP の研究者を紹介します。今回はヴァラン先生を紹介します。
Hello everyone, 皆さんこんにちは。I am Vaslin. I come from France and I currently work as postdoc at QUP.
ではどんな研究をしているんですか？
My work at QUP is to develop new AI techniques in order to assist the research in physics. For example, we can develop new techniques to improve the quality control of a new detector, to make detectors which are more reliable, that gives better data. And that also helps to improve the production of new detectors, to make future detectors better.
どんな検出器を扱ってるんですか？
In my case, I work on the Atlas experiment at CERN. So we are producing a new inner detector of Atlas in order to improve the measurement of the trajectory of particles that are produced inside the detector. With this improved information, we want to improve the results in the search of new particles.
研究をしようと思ったきっかけを教えていただけるでしょうか？
So I was always interested in physics since I was in junior high. So I naturally took a course in physics in university when I discovered how great particle physics is, and I also discovered everything about the magic of AI, everything we can do with it. So I continued on this path, and that's how I arrived here.
これまでどんな研究をされてきたんですか？
So when I was at university, I studied mostly particle physics and data analysis techniques. So during my master's course, I started to apply machine learning techniques to the analysis of the data of the Atlas experiment. And during my PhD, I continued to develop new analysis techniques for the research of new particles. Actually, after I got my PhD, I came directly to QUP. So this is my very first job after my...
研究で楽しいことは何ですか？
I think the fun part of my research is to experiment new things. Like we can, for example, in my case, I really like to create new models to experiment to see how they work and how they can be useful for us. And also, since AI is present everywhere, it is also a great opportunity to meet people from a very various field and exchange ideas, and this is a very inspiring environment.
研究で大変なことは何ですか？
We cannot always do everything we want when we develop new AI model. It takes a lot of time and a lot of resources, and when you have very tight constraints, it's very difficult and can put a lot of pressure. Also, research is sometimes a very competitive field, so it's also a lot of pressure.
こちらのカードを1枚引いて質問に答えていただけますか？
So, in the future, I think I would like to continue working with machine learning and AI in general, because this is something which is very present everywhere and very important if you want to understand the world in which we live now. So I really want to keep working on that. So either in research in physics or in other field can also be interesting.
もう1枚お願いします。
I would say it's summer, it's very hot, so I want ice cream.
最後に視聴者の皆さんにメッセージをお願いします。
My advice would be when you choose a path, the most important is to choose something you like. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to keep up with the lecture, and it will be difficult to graduate with good grades and so on. So really take something you like, take something you are passionate about. That really helps.
量子場計測システム国際拠点 QUP がお送りしました。